Amazon takes a portion of the commissions for themselves as a fee. That portion you never see. Go directly to sellers for better commissions. How's it going, guys? Please don't forget to download your free copy of this traffic driving guide below. Now we are covering AT&T Fiber. AT&T Fiber sells high-speed internet services. I would rank it as a great addition to most affiliate portfolios. Think about it. Internet services related keywords are searched over 50,000 times per month. The average sell is $65 and affiliates receive $45 for each sell. By strategically using internet service related keywords, you could place your affiliate link in some major traffic. Download this free guide below to learn how to drive more traffic to your affiliate links so you can make more money and get your keywords from the resource below as well.